Have you ever wondered how Google continues to shape our digital future? Well, Google I/O 2023 was a testament to just that. The annual event kicked off with an exciting demonstration of Lambda 2, a general-purpose artificial intelligence model. Google CEO Sundar Pichai led the demonstration, engaging in a comprehensive conversation with the AI. This was a clear display of the significant advancements made in conversational AI, showcasing improved comprehension of language and the ability to utilize general knowledge during conversations. As the days rolled on, the focus shifted to image-based artificial intelligence. The tech giant unveiled state-of-the-art AIs, including Imagen, capable of generating photorealistic images from text prompts. This advancement in AI technology has far-reaching implications, especially in the realms of creativity and intellectual property. The event also highlighted the progress made in AI-based music generation. This is an exciting field to watch, as it opens up a world of possibilities for creatives and innovators. It's fascinating to think that in the not-so-distant future, we could be listening to chart-topping hits entirely composed by AI. As the event moved forward, legal firms found themselves in the limelight. Google emphasized how AI can benefit these firms, especially in tasks such as due diligence, contract creation, and research. They also explored opportunities in the field of intellectual property, a topic that is becoming increasingly relevant as AI continues to evolve. Google also touched on the importance of businesses embracing state-of-the-art technologies like AI, IoT, VR/AR, cloud computing, blockchain, and 5G. These technologies, they stressed, can automate tasks, make better decisions, and align products and services with customer needs. It's clear that Google envisions a future where technology and business are inextricably linked. In conclusion, Google I/O 2023 was a whirlwind of technological advancements and forward-thinking ideas. The event highlighted Google's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. From engaging conversations with Lambda 2 to photorealistic images generated by Imagen. The possibilities for the future of AI and technology seem as vast as they are exciting, but it's not just about the technology, it's also about the people. Google emphasized the importance of focusing on people and bringing out the best in them, using AI as a tool to enhance their capabilities. This human-centric approach to technology is a refreshing reminder that at the end of the day, technology should serve us, not the other way around. So as we look forward to Google I/O 2024, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible advancements made in the past year. The future is bright, and Google is leading the way.